Transport Phenomena in Biosystem, Module 9, Thermal Conductivity and Mechanisms of Energy Transport, Segment 2, Heat Conductivity. With me, Yusuf from School of Life Sciences and Technology, Institut Teknologi Bandung. Previously, we have discussed about Fourier's law of heat conduction. In this segment, we will discuss about heat conductivity. When thermal conductivity data for a particular compound cannot be found, one can make an estimate by using the corresponding states chart as shown in the left figure, which is based on thermal conductivity for several monoatomic substances. This chart shows the relation between the reduced thermal conductivity, which is the thermal conductivity at pressure P and temperature T, divided by the thermal conductivity at the critical point. This quantity is plotted as a function of the reduced temperature and reduced pressure. The chart is based on a limited amount of experimental data for monoatomic substances, but may be used for rough estimates for polyatomic materials. It can be seen that the thermal conductivity of a gas approaches the limiting function of T at low pressures. For most gases, this limit is reached about 1 atm pressure. The thermal conductivities of gases at low density increase with increasing temperature, whereas the thermal conductivities of most liquids decrease with increasing temperature. The correlation is less reliable in the liquid region. Polar or associated liquids such as water may exhibit a maximum in the curve of K versus T. The main virtue of the corresponding states chart is that one gets a global view of the behavior of the thermal conductivity of gases and liquids. The quantity Kc may be estimated in one of two ways. First, given K at a known temperature and pressure, preferably close to the conditions at which K is to be estimated, one can read K from the chart and compute Kc equals to K per Kr. Or estimate the value of K in the low density region by Chapman and Scott formula and then proceed as in the previous way. For the next segment, we will discuss about the thermal conductivity of solids. Until then, I am Yusuf from Institut Teknologi Bandung.